Hi there, I'm Sandy Huntress. Welcome to my Dragon Pendants class. In this class, you will learn how to use polymer clay and mixed media to create unique fantasy pendants. We'll begin the class by discussing the many options there are for what to use for a background for your dragon. I'll also share a few tips for using background materials that you don't want to put in the oven. We will then go on to mount our focal pieces, sculpt vines, and create a dragon with lots of fun personality and details. I'll show you how to make cute little mushrooms to accent your dragon, but you can also add leaves, flowers, crystals, or any other embellishments you like. To finish up, we'll frame our pieces, add a bail, and explore options for stringing, which range from the very simple to quite complex. When we are done, you will have an amazing piece of wearable art, and likely you'll have lots of ideas for variations on this theme you want to try.